Hey guys, welcome back to the Birds Party channel. Today I'm going to share with you some really easy ideas for styling a lemon themed tablescape, which is perfect for any celebration or any occasion that you may be hosting at home this season. I hope you like the ideas and feel inspired to have a go. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you don't miss any of our videos. So the first thing that I did was to use a blank canvas, which is basically a white tablecloth, my everyday white tablecloth, and I'm using a really pretty pastel yellow table runner to match my lemon theme decor. Now for my table centerpiece, I am using this lemon topiary, which I created myself and I shared in a previous video, so I'll be sure to leave the link to that tutorial down in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And to add more volume to my centerpiece, I'm using some faux yellow flowers which I had at home and some foliage as well into a galvanized little planter. But obviously if you have access to a garden, feel free to use real flowers and real blooms to jazz up and decorate your table. Now for each place setting, I wanted to add some texture and bring in that kind of like woody color that you can see on my centerpiece. So I'm using these hyacinth chargers or placemats, and I'm using some pretty white and yellow plates which I already had at home. So all the decor I had at home, I'll be sure to leave the link down in the description box to some items that you can find online that are very similar if you want to recreate this look at your home for your own celebration. And for salad plates, I'm using these white plates which have a gold rim, and they're actually from H&M, and some pretty white and gold cutlery and some plain green napkins. I wanted to add a little bit of green because, you know, the theme is lemon and I didn't want everything to look yellow, so I added the green napkins. And for each place setting, these adorable little name card holders, which are just basically lemons, and I think they just are the lemon on the cake, should I say, rather than the cherry on the cake. And to make them, it's so easy and so inexpensive, and all I did was choose some lemons, some lemon leaves from my garden, a chalk marker and some safety pins or some little pins, you know, that you use for sewing. And all I did was to write the names of each of my guests with the chalk marker onto the leaves. Obviously if you haven't got a lemon tree in your garden, you can use any leaf or even faux leaves as well, that would work, bay leaf or anything that you have in your craft stash to kind of look like a little lemon leaf. And if you don't have any pretty handwriting, it doesn't matter, you just write with your own handwriting. It will still look super cute and so adorable, and your guests will really like it, put a smile on their face for sure. And you can use block letters, you know, scripts, whatever you like. There are no rules here. I think the lemon place card idea really ties in the thing beautifully, and it's so inexpensive, like I said. Now at this stage, if you want, you can just chop a little bit off of the bottom of each lemon so they won't roll around like they are doing here. But that's optional, obviously. You know, you can just, if you have a little groove on your plates, you know, you can just place the lemon as they are. But, you know, to make sure that they just stay in place and don't roll around your plate on your place setting, just use a little knife and take a little bit off of the bottom, and they'll be more stable for you. To complete each place setting, some simple wine glasses, some green goblets, you know, to bring in some of that green color once again, and just little cute paper straws for the summery touch. And to finish off my table decor, very simply some candles inside a mini galvanized metal little bucket, which I think you can find similar ones at the Dollar Tree in the US, online on Amazon, and over in garden centers or any craft stores as well. And you have it, you guys. I am absolutely in love with how this table turned out. It was so easy to pull off, as you saw, really inexpensive as well, and I hope it inspires you to recreate some of the ideas at home for any celebration, any birthday dinners, or any get-togethers that you are having this summer with your friends and family at home. I hope you enjoy the ideas, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here so you don't miss any of our DIYs, recipes and crafts that we share here on a weekly basis. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.